This pineapple right here came from a grocery store top, and it took 2.5 years to finally get this. Most people never get this far. They grow leaves for years and give up. Hey y'all, Bill Brown here. If you ever tried to grow a pineapple and you wonder why it never has fruited, this video right here is going to help you understand what actually matters. This is my first pineapple ever, and I didn't buy this plant. This was a store-bought pineapple that I used the top to grow this. Here's a mistake that most people make. They think pineapples grow fast, and they don't. Pineapples need time to reach maturity first. If your plant's not strong enough, if it's not big enough, if it's not well established, then it's just going to put out more of these leaves. And that's why people quit after a year or a year and a half. And they don't realize that they're very, very close. All right, so if that's you, please continue to do this because you're halfway there. This plant is about 2.5 to 3 years old. And the first year it did nothing but grow leaves. Year number 2 is when it really took off. I mean, the leaves got thicker, the leaves got stronger, and the leaves got wider. And that's when I knew that this plant was mature enough to handle fruiting, just like that. Another thing that matters a lot, I have to bring my plant in for winter. This is a tropical plant, and it doesn't like being cold. If the temperature drops, then it could stall the plant out. If it drops a lot, like in my area, then my plant will die. So it is a must. I know you wanted my setup. So what I do, I find a window that has a lot of sunlight so that I take my cinder blocks, I put them down on the floor, and I set the containers on top of it. And to make sure that no one can see the inside of my house, just in case you want to try that, I have my curtains and I lock them together. And so the curtains are directly behind it like this. And so no one can see and they get all the sunlight. So what you got to remember is that when you bring them inside, you're going to have bright lights. You're going to have warmer temperatures, especially from being outside. And you're going to have less water than the summer. So I'm just trying to make sure that my plant makes it through. I'm trying to work on the care of the plant. I'm not trying to push growth. So what I do is I bring my water can in, and you don't have to water a lot during this time. And I also have my tomato and veg from Neptune's harvest. And so I've been using this for several years with these plants, and it works great. So I take a cap full. Once I get my cap full, I put it in, and I like to do 2 capfuls. So I'm gonna go ahead. Oops, I dropped a lot of it. That was too much. And so once again, I'm gonna put the top on it because I made a mess, but I'm gonna keep it rolling. And so I like to mix it around, and then I go ahead and water it in. And this right here is going to keep my plant healthy. And so that's why I use it. Now, if you want to use the tomato and veg, I have a link down in the description, and you can get 5% off to have some more savings. But I always use it. Here's the part that people always ask about. What actually triggered this pineapple to fruit? And I say it clearly. Timing mattered more than anything. The plant was mature, the plant was healthy, and the plant was ready. I used a controlled fruiting technique at the right moment. Not too early, not too late. This is why so many pineapple plants fail. People rush this step. Now here's where it gets interesting. On another plant, I tried something different. I used apple slices. That's right, apple slices that I cut up, and I inserted it near the center. And guess what? It actually worked. So I have a small pineapple forming in the center. That's because the gases from the pineapple triggered the actual fruit to go ahead and flower. And now we have a baby pineapple. It is so amazing. So what that tells me is that when the pineapple plant is mature and it's ready, simple measures, simple techniques can be used to get this bad baby to start fruiting. It is amazing. So the sliced apples, it definitely works. I didn't think it did, because I tried it before, but guess what? My plant was not ready, but now it is, and I have 2 pineapples growing. What I want you to hear is this: don't try to rush a young pineapple plant to fruit. If the plant is not mature, you'll weaken it, you'll stall it, or you'll ruin it. Patience is the real secret here. This pineapple did not fruit overnight. The reason why it fruited was because I waited, I watched the plant, and I acted at the right time. So if you do those things, you will be in a good spot, just like me. Don't forget to sign up for my email list down below in the descriptions, where I'm going to be giving you tips on pineapples, watermelons, on everything that I grow. So if you're not signed up, you should think about it.